If your RAG isn't evaluated like a product, it is still a demo. Today I'll show how QE leaders make Agentic RAG reliable by measuring retrieval accuracy, grounding answers in sources, and assuring multi-step agent workflows end-to-end. So what's Agentic RAG really? Simply put, Agentic RAG is RAG with tool-using agents where the agent plans, retrieves, reasons, calls tools, and iterates. This means the test must cover both documents pulled and actions taken. The test objectives are to validate retrieval accuracy, source-grounded answers, and to assurance multi-step workflow. Did we fetch the right evidence? Did the text match the context? And did the agent sequence succeed repeatably? Keep in mind, leaders care about risk like wrong sources, ungrounded claims, and flaky multi-step runs. Agentic RAG, without evaluation, will drift into looks smart, fails silently territory. To effectively evaluate and communicate the outcome, we treat RAG like information retrieval plus QA and plus ops, and combine information retrieval metrics for retrieval, LLM-Judge metrics for answers, and agent task success metrics for workflows. In practice, start with precision and recall at K, then add rank-aware metrics like MRR, MAP, and nDCG. These reflect not just what you retrieved, but where it ranked. For regulated domains, leaders bias for recall to avoid missed evidence, with human review gates on low-precision slices. MRR and nDCG are used for rank quality. MRR rewards finding the first relevant doc early. The nDCG evaluates the whole result list. Use both of them when users or agents read only the top few. As in any testing, we need an acceptance gate for retrieval. For example, we can set pre-deploy gates or expectations as that precision at 5 is greater than or equal to the threshold on gold queries, and nDCG at 10 is trending upward week over week. With this gate, we can fail the build if the curve dips. When fixes and improvements are made, such as better chunking, hybrid search, re-ranking, and query rewriting, these changes are expected to move metrics. We must measure changes against the same gold set. Okay, now let's see how to evaluate the answers. For answers, we care about faithfulness to retrieved context and answer relevancy to the user's query. If you've got ground truths, then add correctness. With faithfulness checks, we evaluate whether every claim can be supported by the retrieved snippets. This is the antidote to hallucination. The evaluation then can be scaled with LLM-as-a-Judge. Use pairwise comparisons, allow ties, randomize order, and ask for brief rationale. For things like FAQs or policies that reference answers do exist, just compute exactness against known references. Keep a small curated gold set and make sure it's up to date. When it comes to deployment, ship only when faithfulness, answer relevancy measurements all meet expectations across critical slices. Track regressions and standardize metrics, and integrate them with CI. So, why agents complicate testing after all? This is because agents follow multi-step workflow. They plan, then act and observe. Failures can easily hide in the transitions, such as missing preconditions, brittle tool calls, and loops. To evaluate workflow like this, we first need to define success. This means for each task, we should define task success in binary, step success rate, and time to completion. Add guardrails for max steps and confidence to stop in addition. And of course, agents as the testing target have to be testable. This includes fixed seeds, freeze tools, snapshot corpora. Then run each scenario n times and look for stable success within banded variance. Before full release, send a canary cohort and shadow runs against production queries. Compare slice metrics to your baseline. When runs fail, triage with captured trace, tool I/O details, retrieved docs list, and prompts. These will help you to pinpoint the root cause. Is it in retrieval, generation, or tool? It is crucial to insert human gates for high-risk tasks, such as approved sources, confirm actions beyond read-only, and cap cost versus time per run. Today, we have covered the essentials to test and evaluate Agentic RAG so far. There are far more to build in our practices, such as building evaluation set, building observability, and etc. If you only do one thing to begin with, then make a baseline evaluation suite into CI. Measure and compare after every change. At Omniit.ai, we brings RAG and agent evaluations into CI. Subscript and reach out to us. We can help you move fast. Thanks for watching.